Alrighty, hi guys! Thanks for joining me. So this is, I believe, part 10 of this video series on this rock painting tutorial. And all I'm going to do in this video is just show you how I color in my images using my art pens. Okay, so I'm just going to demonstrate using an Arteza art pen. These pens are great. These are like paint brushes, but you hold them with your hand. There's no mess, there's no water, and I'm just gonna color in sort of like using a paintbrush, you know, using strokes, and I'm gonna color in my flowers. And I love this color. I love this purple color. So yeah, I just wanted to show you really quick. So this way you can pretty much paint anywhere. But see how nice that comes out? Now these pens are, I guess you could say they're expensive. You can buy them online. Not really sure if you can get them in art stores or craft stores at this point, but you can purchase them online. I will link to them on Amazon so you can purchase them or just research them. And these are not the only pens that I use. I use Sharpies a lot, and I use paint pens, like opaque paint markers, which I'll also link to. So that's that. I think that came out really nice. And here's just a regular Sharpie. Okay, and I'm going to use that to color in the body of my butterfly. Just connect it with the little line. Like that. And I'm going to use an orange one for the rest of the butterfly. I hope you can see what I'm doing. But I'm just basically just using my imagination and filling in the butterfly with the colors. I think would be really nice. I used a stencil to put this on the rock, so this wasn't an image transfer because I have so many stencils, and I love adding little things to the rock to make it look even more real. And I think that putting a butterfly here sort of makes it multi-dimensional in the painting. So it's kind of fun, just color in the empty spaces. You get the idea, I'm sure. Doesn't have to be perfect, although I'm somewhat of a perfectionist. But yeah, Sharpies work really great, especially for small spaces like this. And Sharpies are not expensive at all. I mean, they really aren't, and they last for a long time. You can get them in craft stores, you can buy them in the supermarket pretty much, you can get them online. So I'm not going to show you the whole thing, but that's basically the idea. And then I'm just going to outline some of this. Following the lines from my stencil, I'm going to connect them. Outline the butterfly. And that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and fill the rest of this in. I'm going to, I think I'm going to use like a light green to fill in the grass. My Arteza pen. These come in so many different colors. You could see they blend so nicely. Alright, so that's the end of this video series on painting this rock. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like or a thumbs up and leave any comments or questions you have in the comment section. Join me again for another video. I hope you'll check back with me soon. Hit the bell icon if you'd like to be notified when I upload a new video. I do a lot of different videos on crafting, painting, stenciling, decoupage. I'm going to start doing some crochet videos. Here's a darker green for the leaves that I added. Leaves are so easy to draw. I've got stencils for leaves too, but they're just so easy. So I think I just added these by hand, and now I'm just going to fill them in. Alright. Thanks. Take care.